Open your mouth.
Tell me it's alive on my dream. What we promised, sometimes it's mine. He told me of the power of the grapes in my purple eye.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa channel natin. Today is Monday and it's currently 2:38 ng hapon. As you can see, nandito kami sa sasakyan. It's been a few days na hindi kami nakapag-vlog guys kasi my goodness, binahaan kami dito sa Queensland guys. Ilang araw na non-stop yung ulan. So, nag-start yung rain, I think mga Thursday ganun pa on and off Friday ganun din. But from Saturday morning, I think like Friday night or Friday afternoon hanggang sa Saturday morning, Saturday night, and Sunday morning, Sunday night, non-stop ang ulan guys. Oh my god. And if you don't know us yet guys, yung Queensland kasi, yung Brisbane ay very prone to flooding. Kaya, yun yung nangyari. Because, sobrang dami ng tubig, guys. Yung, wala kasing magandang drainage din dito, guys. Kaya, bumabaha talaga. Especially yung mga lugar na very low. Yung nasa pababa. I feel so bad for them, guys. Very lucky for us, ha. Kasi, kung saan kami nakatira ngayon, para siyang nasa itaas. So, yung tubig ulan ay pumupunta pababa. So, hindi siya nasa stuck doon malapit sa amin. Alam niyo ba kung saan kami ngayon? Nandito kami ngayon sa office ni Daddy Mike. Kasi, hindi siya nakapag-work today. Kasi nga dahil sa baha. So, itong area na to kahapon guys, sobrang taas-taas ng tubig. And, kaya hindi siya nakapagtrabaho kanina. Tapos, yung laptop niya is nasa kanyang office. So, andito na. Nakabalik na si Daddy Mike. So, tinawagan niya yung boss niya kung pwede bang ang tawag dito, kunin yung laptop niya dito. And luckily, sabi ng kanyang boss, meron daw kasi binahaan yung ilalim ng nila guys, yung building nila. So, hindi daw nag-work yung elevator. And obviously, nag-work na siguro kasi nakuha ni Daddy Mike ang kanyang laptop. So, ayan. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
How was it?
It's smelly.
Smelly? What, mud smell?
Yeah.
Is someone there?
No one's there at all.
Really?
No, of course, no one's there.
No, I mean like,
No one's
didn't
even.
you say that?
No, not even the concierge was there.
Yeah.
But it stinks, man.
Yeah, it's this baby sitting there. I think Paris is there. Say hi, Ate. You haven't said hi yet.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Good.
Oh my god, I can't believe it guys. The rain. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike guys, what did you say before day? The rain, it rained. There's more rain here in 3 days. And what was that again?
Done in Melbourne in 3 years.
Yeah.
Oh, like easy.
Yeah, it's crazy guys. Sobrang daming tubig. Grabe tubig talaga. I'll show you ha. Kung makikita nyo, halatang halata talaga na stuck yung tubig dito kahapon. Ayan. So, kaninang umaga, I was very surprised na nakita ko si Mr. Sun. Kasi, it was raining yun ang sabi ko, from Friday until yesterday, until last night, non-stop talaga. So, tingnan nyo, sobrang dumi. Diyan, yung tubig, papumunta doon. So, yan yung building na Daddy Mike, right? So, dyan sa ground floor na ganyan, napasukan daw yan ng tubig, guys. So, can you imagine kung gaano ka, tingnan nyo yung mga trolley everywhere, oh. So, nag-send ng picture yung boss ni Daddy Mike sa kanya.
Turn right.
Turn right. Kasi, dito siya nakatira somewhere. Your boss live here? Somewhere?
Yeah, no, she lives in, what's that place that the, remember
Turn right on Kyabra Street.
Remember we went to the real estate agent? Hamilton.
Oh, yeah. So, nag-send siya ng picture, guys. Ilagay ko sa sa screen natin. Yung mga sasakyan, seriously, ay nag-float na
In 200 meters,
because of the rain.
turn left on Commercial Road.
Tingnan
Then
niyo.
turn right.
Ano lang ating Waze. Waze ba yun? Is that Waze, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah, Daddy is using Waze.
Apple CarPlay.
And he's loving it. Sabi niya, Waze is faster than Google Maps. You reckon?
Yes.
Are you ready, honey? Tinanong ko sa, are you ready, honey? Tingnan niyo. Nga bes, napalayan siya. Yeah, she's very tired. So, kaninang umaga, yun na nga, pagkagising ko, may araw, guys. Kaya straight away, pumunta kami ng shops. Naglakad lang kami. Pumunta kami ng supermarket. Bumili kami ng mga pagkain. Kasi kahapon din, pinafollow ko kasi yung parang community group sa Facebook kung saan kami nakatira. And then, nagpo-post sila regularly kung anong update. Mga supermarket ay sobrang puno na. Goodness gracious. Yung supermarket ay nagkaubusan na ng mga pagkain kasi yung mga tao nga natakot, diba? Na baka mag-flood or hindi makalabas ng bahay, walang stock na pagkain. So yeah, but nakapag grocery na kami kanina. So ngayon, where are we going, Daddy?
Just to get some monitors. East Brisbane.
Yeah. So bibili kami ng monitors ni Daddy Mike kasi he will be working from home for now until maging okay na. Do you have electricity there?
Yeah,
There is.
they
Yeah,
turned it
okay.
on now. But like, I don't know. I can't get. It's gonna be hard for me to get into the office until the ferries are working.
Oh yeah, true. Oh yeah. Insert ko yung ibang videos dito, guys, ha. Nagaling sa dito talaga kung ano yung mga nangyayari dito. Kahapon sobrang intense yung nangyari, yung ferry bumangga sa bridge. Was that bridge, Daddy? Yeah. Bumangga sa bridge yung ferry, guys. Na alam nyo ba? Naku, nag-sink talaga yung ferry, guys. Makikita nyo sa video, i-insert ko. Kakatakot talaga dito sa Brisbane, guys. Lalo na kapag ganitong walang ang tawag dito, yung ulan. Non-stop ba? Anyways, it's 2:46 na ng hapon. So, we'll make a move para hindi pa mag-close yung ating bibilhan ng monitors. I'll update you later, guys. Sarap ng tulog ng dalawang bata, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang Daddy Mike talaga. Dito na kami sa labas ng bahay. Yan, dinala ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang mga pinamili at yung kanyang laptop. Oh, ayan. So, itong dalawa ay tulog na tulog pa. Ayan. I'm worried, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Dito yung bahay namin ay nandun. Kasi merong mga sasakyan na nakapark dyan. So, kailangan namin mag-park dito. Sa next block. And then, sa garage kasi di ba maraming laman kaya hindi namin mapark doon. Gisingin ko na lang siguro tong mga kiddos, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo, oh, ang dilim-dilim na naman. Uulan na naman to, guys. Oh? Grabe, it says that for the rest of the week it's going to be raining. Kaya nga sabi nila na talaga may natanggap kaming text message from the government last night na pag malapit sa mga tubig yung ganun, yung prone sa flooding na area, mag-evacuate na. Ayan, daming ulan yan paparating, guys. Alam niyo si Baby Celine? since pagkaalis namin, nakatulog siya. Hanggang ngayon, tulog pa rin siya. Ang sarap siguro kasi matulog sa sa sasakyan, no? Itong isa din, oh. Ang laka. OMG guys, sabi ko na nga ba, diba? So, dinrap ko yung ating mga kids doon sa kanilang daddy. Doon sa malapit sa garage, yung hindi pa masyadong malakas yung ulan. So, when I came back here to park the car, wala na. Tingnan nyo. Paano po yan lalabas? Tingnan nyo guys, oh grabe guys, sobrang laki ng bottle ng kanilang ulan dito ba? Kaya nga mabilis magbaha. Oh no. Sana huminto konti ba? Malakas talaga siya guys. Meron kasi yung camera ko ba? Cellphone ko yung gamit ko ngayon. Yung camera ko, may bag. Mabasa to sila kapag tumakbo ako. Oy. Iba rin ng Queensland guys. Sobrang warm kanina. Taas yung araw. Oh my goodness. Buti na lang, tumila na ang ulan. Where's si Lily? Ah! Lily! Baby! Hi! Mama got stuck in the car, you know that? The rain was so heavy. How are you, my love? How are you? Hi! Say, hi, Tita and Tito. I'm playing with my toy. Nak, show them your teeth, Nak, babe. Alam niyo ba, ang haba na nung isang niya, ipin niya dito. Tapos, yung pangalawa, starting to come out na rin. Yeah, big girl naman na. Kiss mama, babe. I love you, anak. I love you, my baby girl. I love you, my baby girl. What's up? Are you hungry? We'll have Didi and we'll have snacks. Huh? Mama give you snacks? What do you think? Do you want to sit on your high chair? You want to sit on your high chair? Is that a great idea? Okay, I'll get your high chair. Ready? So, siniset up na ni Daddy Mike ang kanyang... Hi, Nak! How are you? Oh, it's raining hard, no? No, it's... Tingnan niyo, oh. It's, naman, bright na naman. Oh, sorry, bright na naman. Oh! Say hi, Sa.
Hi.
Hi. Did you fall asleep in the car?
Yeah.
What are you watching? What are you watching?
I watched Dr. Canada.
Daddy Mike is...
I don't know how to get it to work.
Huh?
How to get it to work.
What? Did you... Plug it? Yeah. Ito yung nabili ni Daddy Mike na monitor, guys. Dell. The same brand.
Is there something I'm missing?
This is... Yeah. You need the power cord. Is it on?
Yeah.
It should be.
That's the power cord there.
Yeah. So it should be...
Into there.
If it's not working, then it's broken. You know what I mean? Because it's the screen, it's not turning on. You might have to give him a call. Did you put it in properly? Shh! You okay? You okay? Sa ano pala guys, second hand itong binili ni Daddy Mike na screen. How much were they, Daddy? $100 each. Kailangan kasi talaga ng dalawang screen pag work guys, kahit ako. Oh, Daddy, it's broken. Did you know? Maybe you didn't put the power cord properly.
I mean,
Celine is going to have something to eat. Show Tita and Tito what you're having there. What are you having? Oh, what are you having? So, I'm gonna give this to her, guys.
Blueberries,
Snacks.
strawberries, and apples, and
It's
pears.
apple, berries, and fig with yogurt. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We're gonna give you that. See? Ito yung nabibili sana, guys. Shop. Sabi, 6 plus months. It's a puree. Are you ready? Are you ready? And here's our Ate Paris having her. What are you having now? Pistachio. Okay. 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 Ay, she's crying. Num, num. Yummy? Ah, gosh! Mulit ka na yung problema, guys, oh. Paburot-burot na yun. Maginaw kasi, guys, kasi galing sa fridge. Ayoko naman siyang ilunod sa mainit na tubig ba? Kasi with yogurt, I think it's meant to be served chill. No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Open your mouth. Good girl. Good girl.
Potato.
Potato? Pistachio.
Pistachio.
See, you wanna see yourself? That's you eating like a big girl. Yeah. Mmm. Yummy. Ay, yummy. Open your mouth. Do you like it? Do you like your food? So, itong ganito, guys, pang ano lang to niya, snacks, ganyan. Mainly, dede pa rin to siya. Good girl. Yes. Kasi gusto ko talaga ipagpatuloy yung pag-breastfeed ba sa kanya habang may milk pa si mommy. May supply pa si mama, nak no? Nak no? Because mama loves the cuddle with the baby. Yeah. Oh, she loves her food. Don't you? Don't you? You wanna try, ate?
No fun.
Yogurt cake. Nakda, hadlukan mo ate nak. Taslakan si Ate Paris. See, having Celine eating. Yeah. Say thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. It's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. Sobrang dilim na sa labas. Dilim. Pumasok kami ni Baby Celine dito sa kwarto. Pinadede ko siya. Tapos ngayon ay good mood na yun.
Mommy.
Pumasok itong ating bata, oh. Yes, Nakba. Yes. You know what? Like, Celine really loves Paris, guys. Because, very sweet naman talaga tong ating Ate Paris sa kanyang baby sister, guys. What did you say to Celine this morning, Nak? In the pram?
What did I?
You said, you look so cute, Celine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you did say that. So, yung tawag namin kay Celine ay Celine. Tapos, parang,
Hey.
nasusunod ni Ate
Mommy?
Paris.
Mommy.
Yeah.
So I said, Seen her really cute in the prom.
Yeah, Celine. You look really cute, Celine, you said. You're so cute,
No.
honey. Ito siya, kahit na, ano siya ng... Palagi kasing hinahag ni Ate Paris itong ating may tingnan nyo. Minsan, ano, tingnan nyo, oo. Oh, very relax lang yan siya ba? Kahit naman ang paa ng kanyang ate. Nak. Hindi ko na lang English. Mas malaki pa man ang ating baby silin na ating may Ate Paris.
Look at me. Look at me.
Gentle, nak, pag baby silin.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at my...
Anak, gentle, anak. Okay. Don't pull my hair, no?
Look.
That hurts, you know?
I got it for you. I got it for you. Celine.
Umuulan sa labas, guys, pero hindi siya gaano kalakas. Hindi katulad kagabi. Is that Celine? Hello. Nak, she's talking, nak. What would you like to say, Celine?
The camera. Mikey wants the camera.
Do you want a camera? What would you like to say? Alala. Ang kabilang tatay ay napa sa harapan ng kanyang computer. He's trying to set it up para makapag-work na siya bukas. Diyan talaga, ate. We don't talk about Bruno. Tingnan niyo ang kanilang kulay, guys. So, hindi ko gusto yung, yung, ito? Yung light ba dito sa kwarto kasi yellow, guys. Pero kita nyo ang kaibahan ng kanilang,
No.
Ito ang aking morena girl. Palangga kay sa mama ang morena girl na mo nga bata, oy.
Hey.
Ay, nakising that he told me.
He told me it's alive on my dream. What we promised, sometimes it's mine. He told me the power of the grapes is my purple life.
That one. I really need to know about Bruno.
I'm in a
Anak ko, when Mariana said, Dolores, I see you.
and I hear you.
Alam niyo yan, guys, yung Encanto na, Encanto
I can't
show. Disney movie ba?
Hey, Mommy, I know what's the girl.
We don't talk about Bruno.
I know what's the girl name.
But,
I know what's the girl name. It's Dolores. But I'm going to.
it was my wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
Mommy, I'm just getting something.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get something and hey, Ma, I haven't shown something.
Okay. Okay.
Ma, just wait for me.
Okay. So, itong light na to, guys, baong. Yellow. Yeah, it's good for the bedroom, pero, hindi ko kasi alam kung madali lang siyang i-change pa. Kasi may takip man yung,
Because try the things.
Wow! Are you Dolores?
Yeah. But I want to be Novita and Isabella.
Okay. Tingnan niyo, guys. Sinot niya ang brother. We'll go show to her daddy. Hang on, nak. Let's just... Come on, Asmin. Tingnan natin kung ano.
You're crazy.
What did daddy say?
He loved.
He loves it?
Yeah, come, come, come.
I said you're crazy.
My come, my come. Daddy, Daddy.
You're crazy. Come here, you crazy girl.
Are you up and running now, Daddy?
I think so, nearly.
This is cool, Daddy.
Yeah, except it doesn't work.
Huh?
Yeah, except the screen doesn't work.
Doesn't it work?
Nah, well, this one, I don't think this monitor works, but also, even if it does work, I need it's called a power dock.
Oh yeah, the doctor.
So it gives me extra, like, USB ports.
Yeah. We have to go back to the place. Hello, sweetie. We'll have something. First time niya tong gamitin, guys, today. We'll see. What do you think?
Mommy.
Yes, my love. Come on now, let's go eat. Huh? You hold it, Anna. You hold it. I just open it. Hold it. Yeah. Hold it.
He wants to smell.
Mmm. Shush. Hold it there. Yum.
Daddy, you have a look.
Yummy. Come, Paris. Come sit down now. Let's go eat. You have to hold it with your other hand too, my love. Wow. Like that. Yummy. Strawberry.
Well done, sweet.
Yummy strawberry.
Are you looking at that, aren't you?
Mmm. Tagak na yun na. Imo naman di ko ano mo na. Good job.
Well done, Paris.
Late na, guys. Tulog na ang ating baby si Ling. Is it still raining, Daddy? Not anymore? Oh, that's good. Hindi na daw umuulan. But sa weather forecast, I think bukas uulan ulit. Ayan. Tingnan yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike. So, yung naiwan kanina sa aming hapunan. Ang aking buhok. Uy, hala. Sorry naman. Kasi nakatulog ng ating baby silid. Pinadedi ko guys sa bed. Kaya ang aking buhok ay... pasensya na. Yan yun. So, ginawa ni Daddy Mike yung naiwan na chicken sa aming hapunan. Nilagyan ng spinach. Ayan. Tatlo yung nagawa niya. Oh. Tapos nandyan sila nanonood ng TV. Say hi, Daddy. I can't see you. I can see your face and your legs. Hi, Ate. What are you doing? Hmm?
I was watching your phone.
What are you watching? How are you? Let's go to the couch. Sleepy na yan siya. She's yawning na. You yawning?
No.
Hello, Daddy. Kaka-shower lang ng ating Daddy Mike kasi nag-ano yan siya. After ng kanyang work siya nila. Yeah, you had bath, yeah? Oh, nag-bath pala yan siya. Ay, yeah, I showed it to you before. Si Daddy Mike ay nag-workout after ng kanyang work. Late na siya natapos kasi hindi siya nag-work kaninang umaga, di ba?
I bought this toy before.
At niya ang kanyang
I
dyan,
bought this toy before.
workstation.
I got this toy before and I got this bag. Do you know which pet I got?
What is it? Oh, that's so cool, Willow.
I got a doggy with sparkly ears.
How did you like Celine and that strawberry?
Yeah. She love it. It's good. Tomorrow I'll put something else.
Mango?